Welcome to our channel where we help you master business English. In today's video, we're diving into essential vocabulary for product development and design. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident in knowing how to learn vocabulary for participating in product development meetings and discussing product features with your team. Be sure to watch videos for Lesson 1, 2, 3, and 4 about correctly asking questions and using verb tenses in English. We are pleased that you chose to watch this video. Imagine yourself in a very important meeting, collaborating with a team to design the next big product, any product. For our lessons, we are using the example of building the unique, stellar sneaker product. And there is a quiz in this video towards the end to help you practice what you have learned. Don't miss that. First, let's talk about some key vocabulary you'll need. We are sharing with you a list of over 30 words essential to communicating about product and product development. We start by sharing with you how to learn new vocabulary effectively so you can think what to say when you need to speak. The best way to learn vocabulary long-term and effectively is to follow a structured process. First, identify the key word. Start with the vocabulary word you want to learn, like analyze. A verb or action word. Next, identify a phrase or group of words where that key word frequently appears. For example, market analysis for analyze. Notice that analysis is the noun form of the verb analyze. Next, identify how that key word functions in a sentence. Is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it an adjective? Is it an adverb? And so on. There are 9 functions called parts of speech, and you can see the list in the description to this video. Practice saying that key word in a sentence like, they are conducting a market analysis to identify opportunities. In step 4, you will want to create similar sentences. Make up and write out 5 to 10 similar sentences, just changing one word to apply the sentence to different contexts. For example, they are performing a market analysis to understand customer needs. She is completing the market analysis to finalize the report. In step 5, you need to learn collocated verbs or other frequently occurring words with your target word. Collocated words are words that often go together or are commonly used together. It's like these words are friends and like to hang out with each other in sentences. For analyze, collocated verbs might be perform, conduct, complete, review, and update. In step 6, you will want to practice regularly. Consistent practice is key. Use these words and sentences in your everyday conversations and writing. Then whenever you are discussing similar topics, you will naturally think of these words in that context. Let's learn the next word on this list, brainstorm. Brainstorm is another essential word in product development. Brainstorm is both a verb and an adjective in English. An example sentence is, we are holding a brainstorming session for the new sneaker ideas. Here, holding is a collocated verb that works perfectly with brainstorming. Another example sentence might be, they are participating in a brainstorming session. Notice how participating fits with brainstorming. A third example sentence could be, we contribute to brainstorming sessions for product development. Now, let's see these terms in action. When generating ideas in a meeting, you'll often use the present continuous verb tense. For example, we are brainstorming ideas for the new sneaker design. This verb tense helps describe ongoing actions. Imagine you are in a creative meeting. You can describe what's happening in that moment to someone who is not in the meeting with you, using these sentences. Alice is brainstorming some innovative features with the team, and Bob is sketching initial designs. This helps paint a clear picture of what's happening. Next, let's discuss budget, another essential word in product development. The letters N, V, or A indicate whether that form of the word is a noun, verb, or adjective. To use budget in a sentence, we can say, we prepare the project budget for the new sneakers every quarter. Here, Prepare is a collocated verb that works perfectly with budget. Another example might be, they manage the project budget carefully. Notice how manage fits with budget? Let's look at the word budget in action. When handling finances, you'll often use the present simple verb tense. For example, we prepare the budget for the new sneaker launch. This verb tense helps describe habitual actions or responsibilities. Imagine you are explaining what your team member normally does, their roles or responsibilities. In a finance meeting about your project, you could say, Mary manages the budget. She calculates costs, and Tom allocates funds. This helps paint a clear picture of Mary and Tom's habitual tasks or responsibilities. Another key term is collaborate. For the word collaborate, we can say, we collaborate with multiple departments on this project. Here, collaborate is a collocated verb that works perfectly with departments. Another phrase could be, she fosters cross-functional collaboration. See how fosters fits with collaboration? Now let's see these terms in action. When describing the roles or tasks of your team members, you'll often use the present simple verb tense. For example, we collaborate with the design team to finalize the prototype. This verb tense helps describe habitual actions. Imagine describing responsibilities of members of a project meeting. Alice coordinates tasks, and Bob shares resources. This helps paint a clear picture of what their usual tasks are. You can download the entire list of 30 vocabulary words from the link in the description. The final word we will discuss in this video is compliance. Finally, let's talk about compliance, a significant word in product development. For instance, we ensure regulatory compliance for the new product. Here, ensure is a collocated verb that works perfectly with compliance. Another example might be, they meet all compliance requirements. Notice how meet fits with compliance. Now let's see these terms in action. When dealing with regulations, you'll often use the present continuous verb tense. For example, we are ensuring compliance with industry standards. This tense helps describe ongoing actions. Imagine a compliance review. John is verifying documents and Lisa is updating records. This helps paint a clear picture of what's happening. Now that you know how to effectively learn and use new vocabulary, expand your knowledge further. We've compiled a list of 30 essential vocabulary words for product development. You can download this list from the link in the description below. Apply the same process we just discussed to each word on the list to master them all. Here's a quiz for you. There are 11 questions. Test your collocation skills. If you have questions, place them in the comments and we will respond. That's all for today, folks. We covered essential vocabulary for product development, the present continuous tense, business expressions for discussing ongoing actions and usual responsibilities. In the next lesson, we will learn business English for asking questions to collect data and information from customers and clients. Remember, we reviewed only a few key vocabulary words today. To master the complete list of 30 essential terms for product development, download the file linked in the description below. Happy learning! If you find value in today's video, please click like and subscribe. Then you will get future videos in this series in your video feed. This channel is the home of Basic Business English Essentials. In the comments, let us know any questions you have about any part of the video.